First, you would subtract 1/2 x from each side. And you would get 2y equals 12 minus half x. Then you would divide each side by 2. And you would get y equals 6 minus 1/4 x. And then you do the same to the other equation, and you would solve for y. So you would subtract x from each side. And then you would get negative 2y equals 6 minus x. Then divide by negative 2 from each side. And get y equals negative 3 plus 1/2 x. First equation, you would go up 6 and then down negative 1 and over 4. 4. Down 1 over 4. And then draw the line with a ruler. And draw arrows. And for the second equation, you would go down to negative 3. Go up 1 and over 2. Up 1 over 2. Until you intersect the other line. And then draw arrows. And that will be your point. Then you just figure out 2, 3, it's 12. Dirt. Wait. X and then y. So first you would solve an equation for a variable. So I'm going to solve for x in the second one. So you would add 2y to each side and get x equals 6 plus 2y. And I'm going to go over here. And then you would substitute the x for the first or any equation. I'm going to do it for the first one. And then 1/2 times 6. Then you would add the y's together. Then subtract the 3 from each side to get 3y equals 9. Then divide the 3 from each side and get y equals 3. And then for the last part, you would substitute y in for one of the equations. I'm going to do it for the second one. And then that would give you x minus 6 equals 6. You'd add 6 to each side and get x equals 12. Therefore, it would be 12, 3. To eliminate the y's, you would add to cross them out. And you would get 1.5 x equals 18. Then you would divide by 1.5 from each side and get x equals 12. Then you go here and you put the 12 in for x in the second equation to make it easier. And then subtract the 12 from each side. And get negative 2y equals negative 6. Divide by negative 2. Cross that out. Y equals 3. And then you get 12, 3. For this system, I liked elimination the best. Elimination was the easiest because the y's already equaled the same and the equal sign in both equations were lined up. I believe that the substitution method was the most difficult for this system. There was a lot of work that you had to do to figure out the answer this way.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best of you too. Don't forget me, I think I'll remember you say sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead.